Now we have Dr. Sayyida Hurulan, Director Auric University of Karachi, to make research a top precedence among faculty members of University of Karachi. Office of Research, Innovation and Commercialization is established that aims to promote and enhance research activities and helping them to commercialize and industrialize. Auric provides a complete platform to the researchers and augments their research skills from working bench to a furnished product. Auric also provides services related to research and development, innovation, industrialization, commercialization, collaborations, seminars, workshops, submission and approval of research product. Under the supervision of Dr. Sayyida Hurulan, Director Auric, the Auric office has shown and achieved many goals. I would like to invite Dr. Sayyida Hurulan, Director Auric office, for her thematic speech.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Thank you, Dr. Seema, for your kind words. And I'm humbled to be here on this stage. And I express my gratitude to the Director of Center of Excellence of Women's Studies for organizing such a great program for the real daughters of the nation. When we say दुख्तराने पाकिस्तान, अपनी बात शुरू करने से पहले मैं आप लोगों से जानना चाहूंगी कि आपके जहन में ये चीज सुन के कोई एक लफ्ज जो आता हो, just raise your hands and I would like to hear those 3 words from the audiences. दुख्तराने पाकिस्तान, क्या समझते हैं इससे? सारी कौम की बेटियां इस वक्त तशरीफ फरमाए मेरे सामने. So I would really like to hear 3 words from you on the theme of Dukhtarane Pakistan. Raise your hands. Yes, you please. Mic दीजिएगा उनको please. जी बेटा, stand up on your seat.
पाकिस्तान के जो दुख होते हैं, मसले मसाइल, जो उस पर कोई गौर नहीं करता.
Okay, anyone else?
दुख्तराने पाकिस्तान ये फारसी का वर्ड है और दुख्तर से मतलब है पाकिस्तान की बेटियां यानी दुख्तराने पाकिस्तान फिर पूरा बनता है पाकिस्तान की बेटियां जो इस मुल्क के लिए अपनी दिलो जान से खिदमत कर रही हैं और इनके हकूक का ख्याल रख रही हैं.
Okay. Yes, please मैडम को माइक्रोफोन दीजिएगा.
देखिए, दुख्तरान यानी जो बेटियां होती हैं ना एक फैमिली में, they contribute much more than the sons of the family. तो इसी तरह पाकिस्तान की जो बेटियां हैं, they are 47.8% of the total population. They are very needed for the development of Pakistan.
Absolutely right, madam. And a big round of applause for madam for describing the concept of Dukhtara. Women's Day celebrate करें. Today we are celebrating Women's Day and we actually go for a theme of दुख्तराने पाकिस्तान. तो लफ्ज़ दुख्तर जो मुंतखब किया गया, अगर हम इस्लाम की तरफ नजर डालें तो हम ये देखते हैं कि रसूल अकरम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम जब उनकी दुख्तर आती यानी कि जनाब फातिमा सैयदा सलामुल्लाह अलैहा तशरीफ लाती तो अपनी दुख्तर के लिए खड़े होते. तो दुख्तर जो है वो एहतराम के लायक है. And unfortunately, we have been celebrating this event in the name of conundrum of gender inclusive revolution in Pakistan. It's not a conundrum at all, because diversity is a right and inclusion is a fact. which we have learned from our religion. So there is no doubt about it. As far as the theme is concerned, it is very well planned and thought out theme, because we are talking about accelerating gender equality. I support equity instead of equality. Economic empowerment, peace building and perception management, so and so, blah, blah, blah. बहुत सारी बातें हर Women's Day के ऊपर हम करते चले आए हैं और करते रहेंगे. But what actually happened in the recent past? Women were locked out from the bedrooms. We have to go to the legislature for our right to unlock the bedrooms. We have very good intellect available in the area of businesses, law, politics, and many other fields. Most of the women are acing the race by the divine grace in academia. But what we had to do, we had to go to the legislature for our rights. In the SSCP's regulation, we have to have one woman on board. But unfortunately, in 2017, there was none. In 2019, the adjudication of the law was taking place, where I stood up like steel wrapped in silk with chin up, and we wrote a paper. Professor Dr. Khalid Mahmood Iraqi, the Honorable Vice Chancellor, was a co-author with me. And I must say, he supported me like a daughter in this endeavor for the adjudication of the law. And finally, we have all public listed companies have one woman on board. But the unfortunate part is we have to go through the legislature. We have to go to ensure its compliance. So unfortunately, our society is dwelling in the parochial mindset. अब इसके अलावा आपका वक्त कम लेते हुए मैं, because हमारी गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर डॉक्टर अस्मा इब्राहिम भी यहाँ मौजूद हैं, एक mindset की बात करना चाहूँगी. I really want to talk about the perception. We, the women, are actually not ready to take the leading seat. Accept it. Very few are ready to stand tall, who can stand rock solid like steel wrapped in silk and take the leading seats in various organizations. But who are they? Who got a supporting system from their families? मैंने क्यों रसूल अकरम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम की एग्जाम्पल दी? क्योंकि दर्स हमें वहीं से मिलता है. और जिन families ने उन चीज़ों को adopt किया, let me give you my example. I have staked my claim as a credible player in the field of research. I've recently appointed in the 17th journal, which is indexed in Web of Science, as a reviewer yesterday at a very early age. I'm an author in the Web of Science. I debuted my first research paper from Virginia Commonwealth University, USA. How I did this? Because I had the support of a very strong father. Behind every successful daughter, there is a father. I am a second daughter of my dad. My first, I must say, my elder sister passed away when she was just 17 days old. While laying down in her grave, my dad prayed to God, कि ऐ परवरदिगार तूने मुझे बेटी अता कर कर बेटी वापस ली है, मुझे दोबारा बेटी अता करना. हमारे यहाँ दुआएं बेटों की मांगी जाती हैं. ऐसे वालिदैन कम होते हैं जो बेटी की दुआ करते हैं. उसके बाद जब मैं पैदा हुई तो मेरे दादा ने एक रुबाई मेरे लिए लिखी. वो मैं आपके सामने आज पेश करना चाहूंगी. उन्होंने कहा कि हुरुलैन सा हक जिसको गौहर देता है, घर उसका इनाम से भर देता है. मैं आई हूं माँ बाप की दौलत बनकर, मेरा आना दौलत की खबर देता है. तो परसेप्शंस और माइंडसेट्स हमारे घर से बिल्ट अप होते हैं, हमारे इंस्टीट्यूशन से बिल्ट अप होते हैं, हम सिर्फ अपने बायोलॉजिकल फादर्स की बात नहीं करते. मैं एक्नॉलेज करना चाहूंगी अपने उन तमाम टीचर्स को जिन्होंने मुझे इस मकाम तक पहुंचने में मेरी मदद की. I was talking about my father, and a few seconds ago, my, I must say, spiritual father just entered into the hall. जहां मेरे वालिद साहब का मेरी कामयाबी में बहुत रोल है, वहीं मेरे वालिद हकीकी का भी एक बहुत बड़ा किरदार है. So I pay salute to the Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Khalid Mahmood Iraqi. Whatever achievements I have discussed with you, it is actually because of him. What I am blessed to have learned from him, truly speaking. And the most important thing, which I really want to share today with you, what he taught me, breaking the male prerogative. Women are making history by flying high in the skies as pilots in the national airline, PIA, setting difficult benchmarks for the male counterparts. वो फर्जंदाने पाकिस्तान थे या दुख्तराने पाकिस्तान? आवाज जोर से आनी चाहिए. जिन दो पायलट्स ने सेट किया टारगेट, क्या वो लड़कियां थीं या लड़के थे? दुख्तराने पाकिस्तान. तो जब हम दुख्तर की बात करते हैं तो वहां पे इन अचीवमेंट्स की बात होनी चाहिए. दूसरी बात ये कि मैं आपको कहूंगी कि shattering the shackles of all barriers in the Pakistan Army, Dr. Shahida Malik became the first female Major General in the year 2002, who is a pride icon for the entire nation. Who was she? हम में से ही थी ना, खातून थी. तो आज हम डरते क्यों हैं अपनी बात कहने के लिए? Diversity is a right and inclusion is a fact. So I have no debates about inclusion. If we say that we need to be included, we humiliate ourselves. We have the right to it. And last but not the least, दो बातें कह के इस स्पीच को एंड करूंगी. बिन्ते हवा के नर्म लहजे ने इब्ने आदम बिगाड़ रखे, तो गलती आपकी है किसी और की नहीं. Don't say that you live in a parochial society. The problem is with your mindset. And believe me, if you adore mastery and abhor mediocrity, you are not only demanding for equality or equity, you are standing above men. And apart from that, I'm ending my speech by saying ideation without execution is nothing more than a delusion. So stand tall with chin up like steel wrapped in silk. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Hurulan, for sharing your thoughts with us.